Alright, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Henry. Happy birthday to you. So sad. What happened, Carl? What is it?
It's smoke. Huh?
Huh?
Where's the candles? Where's the candles?
Huh? What's up?
Huh? Where's the cake?
Huh?
I can take care now.
Huh?
You can have. Go ahead. Go ahead, have one.
Huh?
Yeah, knock yourself out, baby. What? Carl, Bob. Oh, let me show you how to do this. Don't bite, just lick.
You're like,
Let's see. One more. Nope. The last one. Try to see this. Go ahead. She doesn't mind. Little bit. That, oh, that was good. Oh, what are you doing? I'm getting all sticky before I go to bed again. That's what I'm doing. I knew it. I'm giving him a bath. Okay, that's the last one. That's the last one. We'll get you something to eat. Come here. Let's go.
John's like, sweet, take all of myself.
Oh, wait. Oh, you still got some on the other fingers. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We'll all have a cake, honey. Let's find some plates.
It's Noel.
And these cardboard. I don't